Welcome to the Zero, the award-winning eco-friendly development here in Rains Park, SW20. Let's take a look around. Each one of these incredible apartments have their very own air source heat pump, giving the ultimate in energy efficiency. And there's not many apartments in London or Surrey that have got Tesla Powerwall Storage feeding back into the apartments. And the windows are triple glazed, giving the ultimate in thermal and sound insulation. And all this means an A rating in energy efficiency, making your bills up to 80% lower than alternative properties. So aside from the incredible quality of these apartments, the location is amazing. Directly opposite one of the biggest David Lloyds in the UK and only a 9-minute walk from Rains Park Station. So there's a quick glimpse of the Zero in Rains Park. Now 80% of these units are already sold. There are a few 1 and 2 bed apartments remaining. Get in touch, I'd love to show you around.